Hey guys, welcome on our channel Daily Shouters, where we help you guys in making a better software purchasing decision. Today in this video we will show you which is the best and affordable VPN in China. Let's find out. Not all VPNs work in China, therefore before you select a VPN, you should read their complete details. Through my experience, I recommend that you install the VPN software before you visit the country or have the software downloaded outside the country. NordVPN is the VPN I trust and use when I visit China. I frequently visit China for business purposes and need to access sites that are banned in the country. I use NordVPN as its pricing plans are affordable, and they also provide great support. The company offers various packages, so if you stay in China, you can obviously choose a 1-year package as well. Using NordVPN, you can access YouTube and other social media that are banned in China. The features provided by NordVPN are like strict no-logs policy, CyberSec, DoubleVPN, automatic kill switch, DNS leak protection, Over VPN, and much more. I've used a wide variety of softwares that guarantees to bypass the Great Firewall of China, but every software works for some time and stops working properly or as expected. It's been 2 years since NordVPN was used, and so far, I have not faced any issues. The Best Buy link is provided in the description box below to avail extra discount. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss the video whenever it's uploaded. That's it for today guys, we'll meet you in the next video, goodbye.